Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching you guys how to do the FAUX LOCS individual crochet method. I am using the Amazon 6-packs FAUX LOCS crochet hair. I'm also using 3 clips, a crochet needle, edge control brush, and hair growth oil sheen, and my fancy edge control. Hey everyone, don't mind my hair, but this is going to be the way I plaited my hair for my new hairstyle that I'm super excited about. So if you guys are interested in learning more about this video, I appreciate if you guys comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I will be showing you guys how to install these girls today. This is 36 inches and I can't wait to show you guys. Stay tuned. So these are the plaits, these are the 2 braids. I'm going to show you how to do one of them. I believe that this way that I'm doing it is the best way. I'm going to try to show you guys up close. What I'm going to be using is my crochet needle and the crochet hair, and I usually stick my finger through it so that way when I'm pulling through it won't get snugged. I usually like to open it. So you're going to take the crochet needle, stick it underneath the hair, open the hook, put it through the hook, close the hook, pull it through. Then you're going to open the hole again, take your braid of hair and the crochet hair and pull it through. You're going to pull it all the way through, make sure it's tight. I also pulled the braiding hair and the crochet to make sure it's secured. Then you're going to take your crochet needle and go ahead and stick it through the crochet hair. Try to get in between and not outside. You're going to take the crochet hair and try to squish it on the crochet needle as much as you can. Once you get to the top, you are going to take the braiding hair, well, my hair, and loop it through, and it should just go straight on down. So now I'm going to take my hair, loop it through, close the loop, and pull it through. As I'm pulling through, I'm also pushing the hair upward so it can have that natural look. Okay, it's still hair hanging out, so I'm going to have to repeat myself and do the same exact thing with that little piece. So I'm not going to go all the way to the top. I'm just going to go where that little piece of hair is sticking out of so I can grab it and put it in a loop and pretty much do the same thing and pull it through. Now, as you can see, there is no hair left out. It is all in between the crochet braids, so it looks super natural. And that's exactly what you're going to do all over.